Hello, today we're looking at the Gemini Jets Spirit Airlines Airbus A320neo in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it comes packaged in a presentation box, which has an image of the plane identical to the one found inside. The model of the plane, again, the Airbus A320neo, and the airline Spirit. On the back, we have another image of the plane, some info about what a real Gemini jet is, about what a Gemini jet is. And then on the front again, you can open up the lid and you can see the plane inside the box without having to take it out. So you can have it on display like this if you chose. And then on the lid, we have some information such as a history of the Airbus A320neo. And then here we have some specification information such as length, height, and wingspan in feet and inches. And then some other information you may like to know, such as range, cruising speed, max takeoff weight, and things of that nature. Now let's open up the box and have a look at the model itself. Pops out quite easily. We're doing two pieces of plastic. Open it up. And there you have it. The Gemini Jets Spirit Airlines Airbus A320neo in 1/400 scale. There's a highly detailed die-cast metal model, and you can see loads of the details such as the flaps, ailerons, got very nice wingtips, very nice detailed jet engines. You can see got very nice landing gear. Again, this is die-cast metal. Some smaller parts like landing gear may be more delicate, so just handle them with care. On the vertical and horizontal stabilizers, you can see the elevators and the rudders. A big Spirit Airlines logo on the stabilizer, which is your word Spirit. See, on here. Of course, as you can clearly see the bright yellow of this Spirit Airlines livery. We'll look at this other side. See the same level of detail all across. Let's go back to this first side. You can see on the engines it says spirit.com. Over here we have a registration of N97YNK. Got a little American flag as this is an American airline. And underneath it says 4971, which you'll also see it says just on this little flap above the landing gear. So it's a very, very nice detailed plane. It has a length of about 9.4 centimeters and a wingspan of about 9.6. So it's a very nice, decent size for the Airbus A320neo, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.